Good morning, students. So, I am your chemistry teacher Swati, and the topic of today's class is limitations of Dalton's atomic theory. आज हम Dalton's की कुछ एक limitations करेंगे. So, very first limitation is that atom has been found to be made up of subatomic particles, and the important out of these are electrons, protons, and neutrons. So, first जो postulate था Dalton का, he said कि atom indivisible है, it is indivisible or it is the smallest unit, but actual में it is found to have the subatomic particles like electron, proton and neutrons. So these are the subatomic particles. So first limitation, again I am repeating the same, that atoms Dalton said that atom is indivisible but it is found to be divisible. This is the first limitation. The second limitation of Dalton's atomic theory is that atom of same element may have different masses. Obviously, Dalton in his postulate said that atom of same element will have the same mass, but it is found that atoms of same element, they may have the different masses and they are known as the isotopes. So इसका example हम लिखते हैं, like carbon and carbon only. So carbon 12 and carbon 13 and carbon 14. So these are the atomic masses of carbon, but the atomic number is same, that is 6, 6 and 6. So atomic number of carbon is basically the 6 and 6. तीनों carbon का atomic number is 6, but all of three have the different masses like 12, 13 and the 14, and these three carbon are known as the isotopes with each other. So here the same element is having the different mass. So it is the second limitation of Dalton. The third limitation of Dalton is that atom of different elements may have same mass. ऑब्वियसली डाल्टन ने पोस्टुलेट सेड दैट कि एटम अगर डिफरेंट एलिमेंट का होगा तो उसका मास डिफरेंट होगा, बट कुछ एलिमेंट्स में ये नहीं मिला हमें. कुछ एलिमेंट्स में हमने देखा कि उनके एटम्स का मास जो है, जो डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स हैं उनके एटम्स का मास सेम है. तो उन एलिमेंट्स को हम क्या बोलेंगे? आइसोबार्स, जो है तो डिफरेंट बट मास सेम है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कार्बन एंड नाइट्रोजन, इफ आई कंसिडर कार्बन इज 6 and nitrogen is 7, it is the atomic numbers, and mass of carbon is here is 14 and nitrogen is 14. This C614 it is the isotope of carbon which is radioactive basically, and nitrogen यहाँ अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ भी इसका मास 14 है, यहाँ कार्बन का भी 14 है. तो दोनों अलग एलिमेंट हैं, दोनों अलग एटम्स हैं, बट दोनों का मास सेम हो गया. तो ये अब अगेन डाल्टन की क्या होगी? लिमिटेशन. और इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? दे आर हैविंग द आइसोबारिक रिलेशन और दीज आर द आइसोबार्स. थर्ड नेक्स्ट बेसिकली फोर्थ जो लिमिटेशन है वो ये है, it is saying that atoms of different elements may not always combine in simple whole ratio numbers to form molecules of a compound. See, Dalton said in his postulate that जो elements हैं they will always combine together in a simple whole ratio numbers. जब भी वो compound बनाएंगे या molecule बनाएंगे तो simple whole number ratio में ही combine करेंगे. But it is seen that in some elements it is not true. Some compounds are formed by the elements and they are not in the whole number ratio, they are in the fraction or they are in the points. So these are the limitations of Dalton's atomic theory. The next topic will be discussed in the next video.